Do you know the proper Islamic way to wash a deceased person? This sacred duty, taught by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is what we'll learn today, based on Qur'an and Hadith. Washing a Muslim before burial is a final act of love, mercy, and respect integral to our deen. Allah loves those who purify themselves, including the deceased. The Prophet, peace be upon him, instructed to wash him with water and lote leaves, making it a sunnah, an obligation. Men wash men, and women wash women, ensuring modesty. Exceptions include spouses washing each other, and either parent washing a child. Before washing, gently close eyes, tie the jaw, cover the body, remove clothing, and secure private areas. Treat the body with full respect, as the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught. First, make the intention in your heart. I am performing ghusl for the sake of Allah. Ensure private parts remain covered at all times. Gently press the stomach and clean impurities using water. Privates are washed using a cloth, never directly touched. Perform wudu for the deceased. Wash face, arms, wipe head, and wash feet. Do not put water inside the nose or mouth, only wipe with a wet cloth. Wash the whole body 3 times with water, lote leaves, or soap, and camphor in the final wash. Start from the right side, then the left. Finally, dry the body with a clean cloth and shroud it. Men use 3 white sheets, women use 5, all simple and clean. Washing the deceased is a final act of mercy and brotherhood. Every moment spent is rewarded by Allah. May Allah grant us a blessed ending and mercy to those who have passed. If you want more Islamic educational videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.